Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Tania. I am a Senior PPC Executive at Softtrix. Today we are back with another video for beginners. If you are unsure how to add another user in analytics, don't worry, I will guide you through the process step by step. Make sure to watch the full video. So let's get started.
First of all, you have to log in the Google Analytics, and once you are in the main dashboard, then you have to go admin below, and after that you will be see account access management. So click on the account access management, and now you will be see right side plus sign button. So click on the add user and ID here which you want to provide the access. And now you can just give the role, like you can give the access whatever you want. You can provide the admin, you can provide the editor, market and other access as well. So after that, click on the add. So now we can see we have successfully given the access. So this is how basically we can add to another person.
If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.